Guided Meditation, the Crystal Chalice. Make sure you're comfortable in this sitting meditation and that you'll feel warm for these next few minutes. Hold and maintain a straight back, either clear of the back of your chair or supported gently by a cushion behind you. Your feet should be flat on the floor or ground, without shoes if possible. Spend a moment linking with the energies around you. Picture a thread fixed to the top of your head, supporting you and encouraging you to maintain your straight back comfortably. Hold your hands gently, either on your thighs or in some form of prayerful position which is meaningful to you. Breathe into the moment. Turn your inner thoughts to your breathing. This is your point of focus. If you feel your mind drifting during the meditation, bring it back to focus on your breath. Focus on having deeper but comfortable breaths. Slowly in and out at your own controlled pace. If you haven't already done so, close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Breathing in, peace and relaxation. And breathing out any concerns, stress or distractions. Check that the imaginary thread is still supporting your head, allowing you to keep a straight back throughout this guided meditation. You are at peace. Maintaining that slow, deeper breathing. Draw your attention down to your feet. Feel the contact between your feet and the floor or ground. Sense the energy that is below ground, earth energy, soul energy pulsing continuously. Synchronize your breathing with the pulse of the earth. Feel the connection. Now bring your consciousness up from your feet to the base of your spine, your base chakra. Feel the energy rise from your feet, up through the meridians in your legs to center on your base chakra. Feel the rising energy, the energy of Gaia. Focus on your base chakra area. Feel the energy rising higher through your sacral area, below the navel, and through the solar plexus area above your navel, until it centers on your heart chakra, the area across your chest in line with your heart. Focus your attention on this heart chakra area. Breathe into your heart. Breathe through your heart chakra area. Feel it. Breathing in and out. In, out. Now, picture yourself seated in a large hall or temple. It's bathed in light from a circle of windows high above you. The walls around you are white, reflecting the sunlight. There is silence. You are alone. There is no one else in this sacred space. Breathe in the light. Breathe in the silence of contemplation. You are at one with the energies around you. Feel them centered in your heart chakra. Sense the imaginary thread connecting to your head. Visualize it changing subtly to become a light beam of energy, God energy. With that energy streaming down into your third eye chakra area, through your crown chakra, centering on your light receptor. Energy from above, gradually linking with the earth energy from below. Feel the interaction as this ever-increasing energy combining in your heart chakra area. Feel the energy grow. Visualize the light building in your heart. Now turn your attention in your mind's eye to the center of the building. There's a small altar, an onyx stone altar, standing central and alone on the polished stone floor, bathed in light from the surrounding windows high above. Look carefully at this altar. What do you see? There's a crystal chalice with two handles standing on the altar. The light is reflecting from its many facets. See the colours of the spectrum, reds and yellows and blues and others in between, refracting from the mother white light. And as your gaze remains focused on this chalice, visualize a beam of light coming down through a skylight in the dome high above. Down, down, and centering on the chalice, filling it to overflowing with bright, glowing light, white light. Breathe in the spectacle of this light, this God energy, filling the chalice and all around. Now visualize yourself stepping across the polished floor, your heart center still filled with those God and earth energies, and grasping the handles of the chalice. As you lift it from the onyx altar, feel the energies, your heart energies, and those of the chalice combining with a surge of force as you send the light, the energy, out to help all those who need it around the world. Those troubled by strife, disaster, political upset, personal grief or discomfort, among many, many other reasons. And when you feel ready, send out the light. Send out the light. And now it's time to slowly return, focusing once more on your breathing. Breathe more regularly now, taking a moment to focus on each of those chakra points, sealing each one in turn. Spend a moment gathering your thoughts, revisiting your experiences within the temple with the crystal chalice, and remembering any flashes of inspiration which you might have gained through your experience. Believe in them. Act upon them. And as you return to your normal state, sit quietly for as long as you wish. This is your moment. Relax. I'm Chris Sangster, and it's been a pleasure bringing you this Hamblin Vision meditation. Thank you.